You ever spent hours trying to make the perfect resume only for it to look kinda terrible? Or worse, had it completely ignored by recruiters? The truth is, recruiters only spend 6 seconds on average looking at your resume. 6 seconds. If it's hard to read, messy, or boring, they're moving on. But don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm showing you how to make a standout resume in minutes using Picsart without struggling with fonts, layouts, and design skills. Let's go. Before we dive into this step-by-step, let's talk about why your resume structure and organization matter as much as the design. Think of your resume like a menu at a restaurant. If it's chaotic with text all over the place, you get overwhelmed and don't know what to look at first. But if it's well organized with clear sections and easy to read formatting, it's way easier to find what you need. A well-organized resume helps recruiters instantly find the info they need, your work experience, skills, education, all at a glance. And the best part, Picsart helps you format everything correctly without the hassle. All right, let's build a resume from scratch, and here's how to do it in a few minutes. Step 1. Open Picsart and search for resume template. You'll see tons of professional layouts ready to go. Different industries call for different styles. If you're in tech or finance, go for something clean and minimal. If you're in a creative field, you might want something with a little more personality. Step 2. Time to customize it and make it yours. This is where Picsart really shines because it makes organizing your info effortless. Start with your name at the top. Make sure it's big, clear, and easy to read. Below that, add your contact info, email, phone number, and LinkedIn if you have one. Next, we move on to the work experience section. Instead of fighting with word formatting, just click and type in your job history. Keep it simple and easy to scan. Job title, company name, and dates. Then list your key responsibilities and achievements in bullet points. Pro tip, use action words like developed or managed instead of weak phrases like was responsible for. It makes a huge difference. Next up, your education and skills. Just click into the sections, type your degree, school name, and graduation year. If you didn't go to college, no worries. Just focus on your skills and certifications. Speaking of skills, this section is crucial. Instead of listing random words, include specific software or industry-relevant skills that match the job you're applying for. And don't forget soft skills. If teamwork, leadership, or problem-solving are key for your industry, make sure that they're highlighted. Now let's talk about formatting. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to cram everything into one cluttered page. Picsart makes it easy to adjust spacing so your resume looks clean and professional. You can also tweak the colors. If you're applying to a corporate job, stick with neutral colors like navy or black. If it's a creative role, adding a subtle pop of color may help your resume stand out and show your creative side. Once you're happy with your design, hit download and save it as a PDF. Because trust me, nobody wants your resume in Word format. And that's it. A polished professional resume ready to send out without spending hours tweaking the formatting. Look at the difference. Here's my before, a basic kind of ugly resume. And here's my after, the one I made in Picsart. Way better, right? If you're job hunting and want your resume to get noticed, use Picsart. It's a game changer. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to learn more ways to use Picsart.